Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Laura Bruno, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you my recipe for maple brown sugar bacon. It's so easy to make and so delicious, so let's get started. So what you'll need is a 16-ounce package of thick sliced bacon. You'll need a 1/4 cup of brown sugar, a 1/4 cup of maple syrup, and 1 tablespoon of black pepper. You'll also need to line a cookie sheet with foil with the rack on top that is sprayed with cooking spray. So the first thing you want to do is to preheat your oven to 350 and take your bacon and place your bacon onto the rack. Next, you're going to put this into the oven and you're going to cook it for 6 minutes, and then you're going to turn it and cook it another 6 minutes. So while the bacon is cooking, get a bowl and you're going to take the brown sugar, put the brown sugar inside the bowl with the maple syrup, and the black pepper. And you're just going to mix this until it's well combined. And set it off to the side. So now that the bacon has been cooking for 6 minutes on each side, you're going to start to baste it with the maple brown sugar. And you want to baste both sides. So once you have it basted, you're going to return it back to the oven and cook it another 6 minutes. And then take it out, baste it again, and you're going to do this for 25 to 30 minutes or until the bacon is nice and crispy. So I just took the bacon out of the oven. It cooked about 30 minutes, and here it is. It's so delicious and so easy. You can have it with burgers, you can have it with pancakes, or your favorite breakfast sandwich. Okay guys, comment, like, share, and subscribe. Bye guys.